Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to discuss one problem of current electricity, that is infinite grid problem. As shown in the figure, you can see that there are R infinite resistors connected in some particular manner. Here it is connected in square infinite grid shape. It is in the form of square infinite grid. So generally here they ask us to find RAB, that is the equivalent resistance between these 2 points. This is A and this is B. We need to find equivalent resistance between these 2 points. In this similar manner we can solve all the infinite grid problems. The procedure is, first connect battery between A and B. Let it be of potential difference something like, basically the potential difference between VAB is VA minus VB. We need to pass the current here from positive terminal of the battery. Suppose this is the battery, and how much current has gone through it? It should receive back the same current, that is it should receive back the current I. When we pass current from battery, the current will be I. See here at this junction at point A, the current distributes among all the 4 directions equally, that is in this direction I by 4, in this direction also I by 4, and in this direction also I by 4, and in this direction also same I by 4. And now see at the junction B, here it is receiving total current of I. Now think like this, in total it is having I current. The total of I current should be coming from all these 4 points. None other point is connected to it. So it is also receiving a current of I by 4 from this side, and this side also I by 4, and this side also I by 4, and this side last also I by 4. Now consider this part A, B only, don't see other things now. If we see only A and B, see this, where I should write, 1 second. We know that R is generally V by I. Okay, let's continue here. We know that R equals to VA minus VB by I total. Okay, now consider I total equal to I, we know that, and VA minus VB is given as that is V equal to I into R. Here total current is, see here, from here also I by 4 is coming, and here also I by 4 is coming, that is I by 4 plus I by 4. That total current is I by 4 plus I by 4, and resistance of R is connected in between A and B, R. So this is I by 2 into R. We have come across VI minus VB, so substitute in this formula. R equals to I by 2 into R divided by I. This implies R equivalent equals to, this is equivalent resistance, this or R equivalent resistance. R equivalent is equal to R divided by 2. Therefore the total equivalent resistance between these 2 points A and B, these 2 points A and B across the whole junction infinite grid is R by 2. In the same way we are going to discuss one last problem. This is also the same thing, infinite grid problem. We need to find the equivalent resistance between these 2 points A and B. First I am connecting battery VAB of potential difference VAB, and I am passing current I through it, and as it is giving current I, it also receives current I. As we can see at junction A, there are 6 other directions, so the current I will be divided up equally by 6 parts. I by 6, I by 6, I divided by 6, and here also I divided by 6, I by 6, here also I by 6. In the same way, as in this direction total current should be I, so all I by 6 should be in towards B. 1 2 3 4 5, here also one thing should be there, one resistor I by 6. Here also all resistance are of resistance I. Now same thing, total R equivalent, that is R equivalent is given by VA minus VB divided by I. VA minus VB is given by total current, see here I by 6 plus I by 6, that is I by 6 plus I by 6 into R divided by total current I by 6 plus I by 6 is I by 3 into R divided by I. This do get cancelled. Total equivalent resistance is R equivalent equal to R by 3. This is the required result. Thank you.